Hi, good afternoon. My name is Ron Ward. I'm with Naples Motorsports. I am the Backdraft brand manager here with Naples Motorsports. We've been selling these cars now for probably about the last 7 years. We absolutely love them. When people call in, one of the number one questions that people ask, how do these cars sound? I'm very excited about driving one, and I just want to know, what is this vehicle going to be like as I'm driving it, and what kind of sound am I going to get from them? Especially differences between a carbureted 427 V8 versus a 7.3 liter fuel-injected Godzilla. Generally, when I order the cars in the classic style like this car in front of me, I order one of two different 427s. So there's an iconic 427, and then there is an iconic 427 that's built by Prestige, just another engine company. They're rated at 480 horsepower or 500 horsepower, respectively. And this one is equipped with a Holley carburetor on it. I think it's a 770 Holley carburetor. Great combination, wonderful horsepower. Either motor is going to sound very similar. So this is a 7.3 liter fuel-injected engine. This is actually the first motor that we've done so far in a Backdraft as this Godzilla engine here. We did it because what we were told by Backdraft is this thing puts 480 horsepower and 550 pound-feet of torque to the rear wheels. That's a lot of power in this car. I think that would net out to about 550 horse or 600 pound-feet of torque. So this car right here is going to sound very similar to a 5-liter fuel-injected engine. It's going to have a little bit more depth and sound, but they do sound primarily very similar to each other. So let's start with the 427 and see what it sounds like. So when the 427 carbureted motor, if you're starting it when it's cold, you're going to want to pump the accelerator about 4 to 5 times to prime the carburetor. I have had this one running here just a little bit, so I won't have to do that, but let's just go ahead and give it a start. This car is going to have a little bit heavier idle. The car shakes a little bit. It's fun. This is what people love about a 427. And of course, it sounds wonderful as well. So here we've got the 7.3 liter. It's fuel injected. Starting procedure with this or the 5-liter Coyote, and sound-wise, they're both very similar to each other. Just turn the ignition key on, press the start button. Take notice that the car idles smoother. When it idles down like it just did, it's going to be a little bit quieter than the 427. But sound-wise, very nice sound. I can hear the intake sucking a lot of air in. Got a real deep, beautiful, throaty sound. Now, this is the 7.3 liter. It is going to be a little bit deeper than a regular Coyote 5.0. As you can see, both cars have got their own unique sound to them. There's really no bad choice, whether you pick a classic 427, a little more old school, more traditional, that throaty exhaust note along with the cam lope in the car, or you do a little more contemporary out of the Backdraft Sport with the fuel injection, a little smoother idle. Either one is a really good choice, and the power out of both of these cars in a 2,500 pound car is absolutely awesome. If you still have additional questions about the vehicles, you might be interested in something like this, placing your own special unique order for a car, we can handle that. Give me a call. My name's Ron Ward. You can reach me at 239-330-4688. Thank you.